Wow, so many things to do. Oh, Kiran, okay, let me code some of my things first. This shit got physics homework also. Let me get some of my workings on. Okay, if this comes here. Okay, wait, let me try some of my coding. Hey, should I do physics first? Oh, what's this question? What the heck? Oh, piang stress! Let me go and run. Let me change to my clothes. Okay, time to get my socks and shoes. Here's my socks. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, got my left shoes on. Right shoes on. Alright, time to run. Let's go. Alright, time to teleport to the stadium. Gosh, so tired. I need a can of Milo. Let me drink this. Go. Okay, one can down. Next one. Second can of Milo. Go. Gosh, all this sleepless night. Really stay up to dawn, sia. Really SUTD.
I stress. Here, play this game. Now.
Okay. From the terminal, it will direct you to the title screen. On the title screen is the context of the game, and once you press next is the character selection. Select your character and it will get you to the instructions. Here it will tell you how to control the player. Things to avoid are the crates and the stress events, and for the bonus event and the power are things you're supposed to collect. All the best. The book icon represents your studies, the heart shape represents health points, and the last icon actually represents stress. Collecting the power-ups or crates will affect these variables. This is actually a normal stage, and there will be an event stages. Right here is actually the Rhino stage, which is actually the first event. After the Rhino stage is actually the midterms, and after the midterms is actually a bonus stage. It's actually the recess week, and only in this event that you are supposed to collect all the items. After this is actually the project stage and the finals. After the finals event, you will get to the results. Now that I know my stress levels, now time to go for a group study. Alright, got my iPad back. Time to study with my friends. See you!
Good morning everyone. Life is like a role-playing game. Our actions will impact us in one way or another. Speaking of which, the start of our first term in CTD marks a new phase in our lives. We always start at crossroads while making various decisions, be it socially or academically related. Join us on this journey as we find out how stress, health and grades fluctuate over time this term. Let's start this game and enjoy it. Being an inclusive institution at SUTD, our game allows us to choose a male or female sprite. I'm going to choose the girl sprite because we have no female representatives. Let's go with the female sprite. So this is an instruction page that kind of gives you a brief before the game starts. And this is me, representing me. As you can see, it's actually animating me digitally and literally. And yeah, it's animating me. And let me try running up to the top boundary. Whoops! You know why? This game is making me stay on track. Oh, what's this at the top left corner? What's this at the top left corner? There appear to be 3 symbols up there. They will appear to represent my studies, my health, and my stress levels. Wow, I've never been so relaxed in my life. Well, I certainly hope that things stay this way and obstacles don't appear in my path in university. Ouch! Looks like I collided with an obstacle and my health has dropped. Well, it looks like from now on I need to dodge these obstacles. Yes, look at us. We can dodge these obstacles so well because we have implemented object collision very well. But it would appear that there are just some obstacles that you cannot avoid.
As we go about our days in SUTD, we are engaged in a whole variety of activities. We might go grab a cup of coffee, might go grab a cup of coffee. Sorry for the technical difficulties.
Where's our coffee, ah?
There's a coffee. There's a coffee. So we might go grab a cup of coffee. We might go study somewhere. Grab a cup of coffee. We might go study somewhere. Hey, why you don't study? Or even go and date with someone. These, as you can see, all these activities are represented by the icons that are going by on the screen. And depending on the activity that you collect, there are different effects to our stats. For example, if I collect the consultation activity, then I will increase my grades. Okay. Personally, I'll go for the sleep power up. Is there a sleep power up? Because I really need sleep right now. I guess there isn't sleep, so I'll just collect whatever happens there. Collect something. You have collect something.
Throughout our time here, we have recorded various milestones. Some of them bring lots of success. We have demonstrated this in our game by creating special events. And here comes the first one. Here comes the first major hurdle for many of us, the Rhino assignments. During these special events, we must handle ourselves well and avoid obstacles to avoid getting overwhelmed. We have also changed the background music to reflect the change in moods during such periods. Other events we have implemented include the midterms and finals, as well as our numerous projects. Thankfully, not everything is successful, as we have a brief respite during recess week. During this special event, we must collect all the bonus items to improve our health and decrease our stress. Now that we have highlighted all the main features of our event, here's a 30-second uninterrupted demo representing our last dash towards finals. 8-0.
This project was given to us nearing the end of term 1, and given the open-ended nature of this assignment, this game was really just us, our team, reflecting on our term 1 journey. This delicate balancing of the various aspects of our lives, the homeworks, the relationships, the early mornings and the late nights, and the time that we spent away from home living here in hostel. This bittersweet reminiscing led to us wanting to create something that we could look back on and say, yeah, we went through that. And we hope you enjoy the game. Thank you.